Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another episode of What She Wanted versus What She Got, episode 10. I can't believe this is my 10th episode now, but we're going to get right into the video, and I'm going to start off with some gel polishes that I received from Nail Reserve LA. This was formerly known as Nail Addict LA. They rebranded and this is their new name, and I'm going to be showing you guys the new colors that I got. They're super gorgeous. If you guys know me, you guys already know that this is one of my favorite brands ever, and I do have a discount code with them for you guys to get 45% off 2 gels or more, and it's an amazing deal because the quality on these is so insane and the polishes themselves aren't expensive, so it's definitely worth it. And when you receive your package, you're just going to be obsessed, because I know I am. So this is the first color, and I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch this, but all the colors are definitely one coaters where you only need one coat and they're super pigmented. I love doing that for my swatch videos because you can definitely see how high quality the colors are. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much the end of the swatches. My favorite color for sure out of all of them is that really gorgeous cherry red called Goddess. I really want to use that for some cherry nails. I feel like it'd be really cute, and I actually did recently use it on a set of nails that I posted on my Instagram. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, my username is down in the description box in case you're new to my videos. But yeah, this is this last color. It's a really gorgeous white, and I'm really quickly going to be showing you guys what we're going to be recreating today. These colors are perfect for this set specifically. This is what my customer wanted. They're really gorgeous, kind of like just like swirl nails. They look really easy, but trust me, it's a little difficult, so that's why I want to show you guys how to do it. I started off with 2 coats of Riyas Nails number 112. It's one of my favorite nudes ever, and it is a lighter nude. It looks a little bit washed out because my lights are so bright, but the nude ends up being like identical to the nude in the picture when it's in low light, just like the picture was. So we're gonna start off with the hot pink that I showed you guys the swatch of right now. I'm just gonna be putting it on my table. I like to just put the gel directly on there because it's really easy to wipe away with acetone, but you could definitely use like an art palette or something like that if it's easier for you. And I'm just going to be grabbing the pinks that I need. Another pink that I grabbed that I actually didn't swatch, which is from Nail Reserve LA, when they were Nail Addict LA, is this really gorgeous hot pink. It's called I think it's called Electric Pink or something like that. I'm gonna leave the link or the name of it down below for sure, and the link as well if I find it. I'm gonna be using a really long, I believe 25 millimeter detail brush, and this is gonna make you get that really gorgeous what's it called, French tip. And the way I've been doing it lately is kind of different. I've been doing it by starting off with the A method, which is kind of easier, to be honest, than the way I used to do. It just makes you have more of a flawless, seamless application, and it makes your French tips really even. So as you can see, I did that super easily with this brush. I think using the long brush is definitely the key and exactly what you need if you want to be trying this way of French tips. I feel like most of you guys probably do it like this already though, But yes, definitely try it with the long brush. If you use a short brush, it's going to be so much harder. I've tried it with the short brush and they just didn't come out even. They came out really, really kind of like swiggly, and you could basically like see everything, like as far as my mistakes and things like that. So yes, that's what I recommend for that. I did want to say really quickly that I really recommend this method for French tips. I sped this part up times 4, and in total, like in real time, it took me about 6 minutes to do every single French tip on every single nail, and that's hand painted and everything like that. And I even filled it in with a tiny little brush because personally I just get more of an even application like that instead of using like the actual bottle brush that comes with the gel polish. But I just wanted to say that really quickly, that it's really quick and easy to do. It just took me a few tries, to be honest, and then I got it down pretty quickly. Okay, and then next I'm going to be putting down some of this teal and the yellow, and I'm just going to be using these as well. But I'm going to go in with the color Little Star first, this hot pink color, kind of more of like a magenta pink, I would say. And I am going to be doing the outline of the French tips. So your French tips didn't have to be perfect to start because I'm going to be, you know, you're going to be going over it with this pink color. And this is just going based off of our inspo pick. I'm really trying my hardest to make it identical. But you guys, I don't know why doing these little lines and connecting them was so difficult to get it even. It was honestly really, really hard. So you can kind of see me going back and forth, making them a little bit thicker. And I don't know if I make it look easy, but it really wasn't easy. I was honestly struggling. And I think it's because this style of nails isn't a style I would preferably like choose to do. Honestly, this is just something that I wanted to create a video for because it's what she asked for, and I tried to replicate it to the best of my ability. But if you guys know me and the type of nails I like, this just isn't something I would personally do on myself. But yes, it is a little more challenging than you would think, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go in with little random swirlies. The best part about this is it could be kind of literally random, but like I mentioned, this is a what she wanted versus what she got, so I was trying to replicate the photo as perfectly as I possibly could, and I was only able to see one hand, so I just tried to kind of replicate the same thing on the other hand, but also kind of just doing my own thing and just doing whatever I thought looked best and looked like the photo the most. Next, what I'm going to be doing is taking some of the teal and the yellow, just like the photo, and adding little tiny hints of this around some of the lines on some of the nails, or most of the nails, I would say. And I'm just going ahead and kind of randomizing this as well, just putting it wherever I think it looks good. And the best part about doing the swirl design though is if you mess up, you can just take a little brush with some acetone and clean off any mistakes. You want to use a really tiny little like round brush for that, and it'll really help you out with getting a nice crisp line. And it's honestly what I had to do for some of these like swirls, because I really wanted them to be certain thicknesses. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing once my nails are all nice and cured, I'm going to go in with my Model 1's top coat. I've really been loving this one lately. If you follow me on Instagram and you see the reels I've been posting, I use this top coat on every single set and they're so shiny and glossy. I really love it. So again, a shout out to whoever recommended this top coat to me. I really appreciate you. And I do listen to your guys' comments. If you guys tell me to try something or you guys recommend it, sometimes I will go ahead and buy it, especially if I see, you know, I just feel like trying something new. So yes, thank you for this recommendation. And I did want to say that I have a little haul video coming. I've been buying little stuff from Amazon and then from other little like places, and I'm just waiting for everything to arrive, and I'm going to be putting the videos together and making a little nail supply haul. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm really planning on doing a like a nail artist or nail, yeah, I think I would probably title it nail artist day in life or something like that. And I really want to record that for you guys because I know that video is going to be more vlog style and it'll be super fun to make. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys my ideas and let you know what I'm thinking about doing. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys watch my videos already, you know that I always file the edges of the nails to get that really nice crisp shape. And then I'm going to show you guys a little video here of the final result. The colors may look a little bit different just because I record these videos like right under my lights. So and I always use flash. So yes, this is what it looks like. They're so pretty, and I actually really like them. Just personally, I wouldn't even do them on myself, but I was so excited to do them because it's something definitely out of my comfort zone. If you guys like this, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below if what you would like to see next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.